What's up YouTube? It's Ray. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing this Kanekalon ponytail. I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts, let you know if I actually think this works or not. But yeah, to go ahead and get started, I'm putting my hair into a ponytail. If you guys have seen any of my other videos, you've probably seen how I put my hair into a ponytail. I do the same method where I start with the top half and I just use my EcoStyler Gel and my EdgeBooster Edge Control both. And I start with the top half and I slick the top half up with a boar bristle brush, and then I move to the back half and start and do the same thing, but I just add that back portion to the top ponytail. I find that for my hair type, because I have really thick hair, this just helps create the sleekest ponytail possible in the easiest way possible, so that I don't have any lumps or bumps. You guys can put your ponytail however you want, but this is just the way that I like to do it for my hair. So yeah, I'm sleeking my hair up into a ponytail, and once I finish putting all of my hair into a ponytail, I am going to take my hair and I'm going to put it into a ball. For this style and any type of like ponytail style where you're using extensions, whether you're using Kanekalon hair, you're using track hair, you're using a drawstring ponytail, it's best to put your ball as small as you can possibly make it. So if you have very long hair or very thick hair, I would recommend like either twisting your hair or braiding it and then kind of wrapping around itself, which is what you are going to see me do here. This just kind of helps create like the smallest ball possible for me, because you don't want your ball in the way or visible throughout this process. So this is just the way that I make the ball as small and as tight as I possibly can, and I'm just securing that with a little ponytail holder, and I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. My edges were kind of already done a little bit because I had did a previous hairstyle before this one, so my edges were already done a little bit. I just showed you guys what I would use for my edges, and I'm going to seal everything up with the Got To Be Glued Free Spray. I always do this as well with all my ponytails and bun type of styles, and I'm securing everything with a silk scarf. I let this scarf stay on for like 10 or 15 minutes. That's all you really need, especially if your hair is dry. Once we take the scarf off, we're going to be very gentle around our edges, not to pull or move anything up, because that Got To Be Glue spray is very, very sticky. And you see how sleek and smooth this ponytail is once we took all of those steps to secure it. And now I'm taking the pack of hair. This is just pre-stretched Kanekalon hair, and I'm taking 2 bundles out of that pack. And what I did was I attach those 2 bundles to my ponytail holder, similar to what you would see like when you buy Kanekalon hair and the pack is attached to the rubber band. I did that same thing but attached it to a ponytail holder, and then I'm taking that ponytail holder and attaching it to my little ball. And guys, for this process, you're kind of just gonna have to play with this. I have watched a lot of tutorials on this specific hairstyle, and a lot of the videos make this seem easier than what it is, but I'm here to tell you, to kind of camouflage that ball, you really have to just play with the hair, and you're going to have to put some bobby pins in it. You're going to have to situate it exactly right to get it to hide that ball, because if you don't, the hair is going to be moving around and your little ball is going to be exposed. I don't want that for you. I do not want that for myself, and that's why I was taking like a lot of time to actually try to work with this hair. And if y'all see me, I'm making faces, I'm doing everything because I'm just really like fighting with this little Kanekalon. But you'll see I end up working it out, so continue to watch the video. if you are interested. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you a part of my channel family. So definitely don't forget to subscribe this video. If you like it, definitely give it a like, and share this video with someone if you found it helpful as well. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Have a great day and stay safe during this quarantine. Bye bye.